Hi everyone, Steve Pollack here with Banyan Hills Technologies. In this video, we're going to talk about pinned actions and how they're used in Canopy to help you perform an action in fewer steps. But first, let's talk about what actions are, and then we'll talk about pinned actions. In Canopy, users can perform tasks such as rebooting a device, scanning a network, or installing an application. The actual tasks you can perform will depend upon how your instance of Canopy is configured and what types of devices you have in your network. We refer to these tasks in Canopy as actions. To see the different types of actions available, you can either look here in the tasks column and click on this little signal icon to see the different actions that are available, or you can go to a device details page and then look here in the actions menu to see the different types of actions that are available. Sometimes it's not very convenient to have to go into a menu or a drop-down each time you want to perform an action. It would save you a few steps if you could just have the action pinned to different parts of Canopy, making it only a click away. Hence the idea for pinned actions. You can see a couple of them that are pinned right here. Basically, when you pin an action, it'll appear in other places in Canopy, such as in this pinned actions card. I'll unpin one of these so you can kind of see what it looks like. If you can't see your pinned actions card, come over here to the page settings and you can either click this checkbox and click it on or click it off to make it appear. If you want to pin an action such as reboot, I'll just hit this here and reboot shows up over here in my card. Also, if I come back to my operations table and look in the tasks column, you'll see this pin here and reboot appears right here in the tasks column. To remove the pin, of course, just go here and then unpin it and it will disappear. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next one.